Hello, my dear subscriber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, this is our YouTube channel and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And friends, we hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. So my dear friends, today with a new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of camo jackets designs for lovely women. My dear friends, these camo jackets are so comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry informal. And friends, these jackets are so warm and gorgeous. So friends and my lovely fans, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear viewers, we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So my dear friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. Friends, it's a saying that nothing delights us more than seeing us in a very beautiful outfit standing right front to the mirror. Friends, as much as we enjoy crafting fresh style ideas for you,